Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer territories into Salesforce for better routing, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer territories into Salesforce for better routing, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Quick Find box, type Territory Settings and select it from the drop-down menu. Ensure that territory management is enabled in your organization. Next, go to the Territory Model section and select the model you wish to work with. Click on the Manage Territories button to open the Territory Management interface. To add a new territory, select the New button. Fill in the required fields such as territory name and description. Define the hierarchy of the territory based on your organizational needs. Select the parent territory if this one is a child territory. Next, set the criteria for which accounts will be assigned to this territory. Use the filter options to specify account types, regions, or other relevant criteria. Once the criteria are established, click on Save to create the new territory. After creation, you will want to assign users to this territory. Select the newly created territory and click on the Manage Users button. Add users by selecting them from the list and then clicking Next. Review the selected users and complete the process by clicking Add. Go to the Territory Assignment tab and select the territory for which you want to assign accounts. Select the Assign Accounts option to start the process. Use the filters to choose which accounts should be assigned to the selected territory. Click on Next to review your selections and then click Assign to finalize the assignments. After the accounts have been assigned, check that the routing rules are set up correctly. Go to the routing settings within the Territory Management section. Ensure that the criteria for routing are clear and reflect your business objectives. Finally, run a test by creating a new account and checking if it gets routed correctly. Monitor and adjust as needed based on the initial performance and user feedback. This ensures you have optimized your territory transfers for efficient routing in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.